In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a simple child theme for any theme. For example, I'm going to use Elementor. The parent theme is here, and I have also created my own child theme. I gave it me as an author. I was able to put the version. I can also be able to change it in case I need. For example, I've revised it. Maybe I put here like version 1.0.5, and if I save this and I come to refresh this, and you should be able to see this is 1.05. I also have a cover here which I designed using Illustrator, and I can be able to just change it whatever way I want. So this video, we're going to learn that in less than 5 minutes. Let's get started. So the first thing that we need is just creating a folder on our desktop. So I'm going to right click and create a folder and give the name of your choice. For this case, I'm going to call Hello Elementor Child. As simple as that. Now in this case, we're going to have at least 3 files in it: one CSS, one PHP, and a screenshot that's going to work as our image. So let's create a CSS. So you're going to right click inside that folder and create txt or a text document. Here you're going to Control A, and in Mac, I don't know, I think you use command something. This I'm going to call style.css. It's going to warn you, but you press yes. So we've created this. Now let's create another file which is PHP. I'm going to Control A. I want to remove that extension of txt, that's why I'm controlling A. So I'm going to call this function.php. Good. Now the 2 files are created. Now we need an image. So I can still use this very one. Maybe let me change this to maybe DPG, just to show that we've made some changes in it, and export it. Now I have it here. So I'm going to copy this to the other folder of ours here, and inside this I'm going to rename this as screen. So it doesn't matter, you can use a PNG or you can use JPG. So one of the 2 files works perfectly. Now these are the 3 files that we need for our child theme. Next is we're going to put a simple code in CSS, then also we shall put some code in functions.php. Now I have already some code, but also you can go to Elementor page, but it also depends on any theme. What matters is just you getting this kind of a CSS. As you can see, there is a simple code here, a theme name, the URL where your theme is in case you want to host it somewhere, then a description, just a simple thing that you can call it, then the author, you can give it your name, then you also have website, then the template should resemble exactly that one of the parent theme, then the version you can put, then you can just put the text domain. So this is what is going to display. Then of course this license, these are not very compulsory, but you can just have them. So I've already made some code. Let me just copy it from somewhere. So we come to our file here, then I'm going to open with text editor, and then I post it here. So you can see I've just put the theme URI is my website. Then also you can put a simple description here as you want. Even if you put 3 words, I can reduce this, then you can leave it as it is. Then the author is, I can change this time as Bentech, not DPG. Then also the author URL is bentex.com. Then the parent template should exactly be for the parent theme. So I'm going to change this version to 1.5. Then the text domain should be this. Now here you're going to put your custom code. You can also be able to import the parent code, a parent CSS file, but for this case I just want to have a custom code. I'll put some color here, then also the fonts. For other customizations, you'll be able to put them under this. So after this, I'm going to save this. Now the next thing is, let's get for the function.php. Actually this is supposed to be function, not functions. So let me open this with text editor, then I also put this here. Now as you can see, this is our PHP. This is going to enqueue the parent and the child theme. Enqueue means just going to insert it in a proper way. So I have a simple function here which you can also be able to find from Elementor website, it's going to show you what you can be able to create in here. So but I already customized what I need here, so we can use this one. You see, I'm going to call this function. This function here is going to, it's just a custom one, and these are inbuilt functions for the style, and also this inbuilt function for the child style, and this is the URL or the location where you're going to locate the parent style CSS, and also this function that's now going to make this all work. So I'm going to save this as well. After that, I'm going to close everything here. Then you come to close even this, and now we have a folder here. So in this case, I'm going to right click and create a zip. So I'm going to send it to zip, and whatever you're going to, where you're going to make it a zip, it doesn't matter. What is very important, its extension should be zip. Now we're going to install this theme. You're going to back to your website and into your WordPress dashboard, and in this case I'm going to add theme, upload, then come to our desktop, and here, right here, this is the theme we created. I'm going to click and install. Perfect. As you can see, it has already installed. I can be able to live preview, activate, or go home. But before that, let me just click on the appearance here to show you what we've just installed. You see, this is what we've just added in here. Initially, I had Bentech, so I can be able to activate this. And when you click details, you see this is what we created. The version was 1.5, as you can also see from our file right here. You see, this is the version we created, and here also it's 1.5. So it said the author should be Bentech, and if you click this, it takes to my URL of Bentech. So thank you very much, guys. In case it's your first time to watch videos on my channel, please subscribe, because I upload a lot about web development. Also, in case you need my support, please go to this website called dpog.com. Then you click on contact. You will be able to use this form and fill in everything that you need. In case you also need to remove, maybe there is a file that you need me to help you, please come to this attachment. You can be able to get a file and put your message. In case you need a professional service, you'll be able to create one of these, and I'll be able to attend you. Thank you very much, guys. Bye.